Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Janet. Are you a returning subscriber? Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for always supporting me. And if you're new, welcome. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload. Today's video, I'm deep cleaning and organizing in the underlined one, my bathroom. I hope this video gives you the motivation to clean and organize any space you've always wanted to organize. I take everything out before I start cleaning. I use Vim all-purpose cleaner for the bathtub, the sink, the toilet. In the toilet I also had Harpic, and I leave it there for 15 minutes before I can come back to clean it. Then I use Safisha glass mirror for the bathroom mirror. Then later I will clean and dry the floors. After like 10 minutes and everything is dry, I am now organizing. here is the bathroom organizer. I got this whole idea from Pinterest, then took it to a carpenter and he made it for me. Up here I have my lotions, my deodorants, earbuds, Vaseline, and flowers. These flowers I've had for quite some time. I got them from Mega Standard. The flower vessel was a tin that I had around the house. On the second one, I have my sanitary towels plus hair products, things I use for my hair, sprays and hair food, plus my combs. I still failed to find a tin for them, but I will eventually. Down here, I have face towels and hand towels, plus my hair dryer. This whole thing has helped me declutter my bedroom because some of the things that were meant to be in the bathroom have always been in my bedroom. Here, I got this bathroom racket from Capital Shoppers, but I still don't know if I should leave it down here or I should pin it up. I still feel like I should put it up, but I still don't know. So please let me know what you think in the comment section below. Up here, I got my shower gel and my flowers. Those flowers have been here for quite some time. And the second, I have my Dettol, that is a soap dish, and a detergent powder. And down here I have my sanitary towels and sanitary products and soap. Up here, this is not new, it has been here. This is my dental care and toothbrush and toothpaste and Toy Happy. This is how it turned out. I love it. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a like and tell me what you want to see me organize next. If you're new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you're always notified whenever I upload. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you so much, and I'll talk to you soon in a new video, inshallah.